Something else you can read more about. We've got a little bit of a space theme going on here for today's news. These are all trending stories, so I want to make sure that you're aware of them as you go throughout the day. This next one has to do with a robot, and this is coming from the NASA side of things. And it's for exploration of some of the moons in our solar system, in particular Titan, which is where we will be sending a probe to. Titan is extremely cold, but it does have lakes and rivers of methane on the planet's surface, and we want to be able to explore all of those. So you need a robot that would be able to do it, a probe that can actually go around and interact with all of these different environments. And that's what we're looking at right here. So this is essentially a shapeshifter. So that's what they're calling it. It's called actually Shapeshifter is the name of this robot in particular, and it's a prototype for Saturn's moon. And what it can do, it's a whole bunch of little robots all teaming up together to create one bigger robot. And it can mold itself, it can change shapes, there it is, it can fly, it can actually swim, it can float, it can roll around on the ground, which means it could cover all kinds of different environments. And that's pretty cool if you think about it being on a planet millions and millions of miles away, and it's able to do this and interact with all those environments. Right now, it's only semi-autonomous. They want to get it to where it's fully autonomous. So this thing would be rolling around on its own, doing exploration for us. And that could be a huge component of the future of space travel, of what we're going to be seeing, are autonomous robots handling those things. You don't have to worry about keeping them alive like you would a human, so it definitely could be advantageous if they're able to explore whatever the environment is, send us back that data instantly. Pretty cool. And also, again, one of those things where you can see that technology filtering down to us when you have transforming robots, or like I said earlier, it's a terrifying prequel to the Transformers. This is before they take us all over, but that's what we're looking at. So it's a bunch of different robots transforming, working together, and the goal is to be fully autonomous. Pretty interesting concept. We'll see where it goes. You can read more about that at digitaltrends.com.